Hello guys, this is Kuya Mike TV at samahan nyo na naman ako sa long paragraph video. Ito yung si sir na nag-request ng long paragraph. Ayan, sagutan natin. Tara guys, kaya simulan na natin. Number 801. Isa Ramon, Oton Namjaru Joamnika. In English, what kind of man does this person like? Yan. Ito yung sabi Jonon Kigakun Namjaga Joayo Kurigo Ilguri Jatsingin Nanja Bulinun Miyumi Chaka Namjaru Chuayo Yoshimi Ilanun Saram Imyon To Chukiteo. Yan. In English, I like a tall man. I like a man who has a good heart rather than those who are good looking. A hardworking man would be better. Yan. Ito yung mga apat na pamilihan. Si number 1 is Higi Kiga Kigo Miyumi Chaka Namja. In English, a tall man with a good heart. Yan. Si number 2 naman is si Kenun Chakchiman Ulguri Josingin Namja. In English, a short but a handsome man. Yan. Si number 3 naman is si Ulguri Josinggigo Miyumi Chaka Namja. In English, a good looking man with a good heart. Yan. And then to naman si number 4 is si Ulguri Josinggigo Yoshimi Ilanu Namja. In English, a handsome and a hardworking man. Yan, sa palagay nyo guys, anong tamang sagot dyan? Yan, ang tamang sagot is number 1, si Kiga Kyugo Miyumi Chaka Namja. In English, a tall man with a good heart. Yan. Ulitin ko yung tanong Jonon Kiga-kun Namjaga Chuayo Kurigo Ilguri Singin Namjabudnon Miyumi Chakan Namjaro Chuayo Yoshimi Ilanun Saramimyon Du Chokireyo. In English, I like a tall man. I like a man who has a good heart rather than those who are good looking. A hardworking man would be better. Yan. Tamang sagot guys number 1. Si Kiga Kugo Miyumi Chaka Namja. In English, a tall man with a good heart. Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa mga long paragraph. Medyo may hirap-hirap na to, pero ito'y kasama talaga sa exam, kaya kailangan talaga natin